Okay, go in here at the bottom.
Like a dope, pull up and shoot like Geno. Can't wear the rollie without the polo. Holy moly, 40 leave him like a donut. Pull up and shoot like.
God damn. Think I got a new lawsuit, I need to come see you. What's that? I got a new whip, you know what a car do? Turn your bitch to an eater. She say we don't got enough room to get freaky in here, cause it's just a two-seater. Am I still considered a trick if I get her a hoopty and buy me a Beamer? I had a new case, but the judge had to throw it out, my lawyer beat it like Tina. I always find a way to get ahead with my intelligence when they critique my demeanor. Today I'll dress up a Republican and go get some hair from a white man's daughter. Her lips aren't big, but I'm loving it. I'll get in fake ID, I make loving it. BDB&T like the government, except for the cops. Mission impossible, start with a Glock, then a Glover. Tip 100 if you let my cousin in. You know everybody my cousin. Oh yeah, and I gotta be thugging it, cause my hair can get nappy as fuck or wear jewelry, and I got that chocolate coloring.
Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop, cause you know I gotta win every day. She really wanna pop me. Just know that you will never flop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cat.
To take me home, I wanna ride it. You don't wanna know, ride it. Just lose control, ride it. Taste my soul, ride it. Let me feel you, ride it. Till the lights down low, ride it. From head to toe, ride it. Taste my soul.
Let niggas shut up, bitch. I got a problem, bitch keep calling. I need a new number, shut up, bitch. They know I'm the shit. Ew, I need a plunger. Yeah, look at my bitch. God damn.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the